In this video, we're going to build an AI research and summary agent using Lindy AI. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you automate real tasks and save real time. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the amount of information that you need to read, articles, research reports, industry news, blog posts, this is going to be a game changer. Instead of manually searching, reading, and summarizing everything yourself, we're going to build an AI agent that searches for information, pulls the most relevant content, summarizes it clearly, and delivers it exactly where you want. Email, Slack, Notion, whatever you prefer. So by the end of this video, you'll have a fully working research assistant that runs automatically. So let's jump in. What an AI agent actually is in simple terms. An AI agent is not just a chatbot. A chatbot responds to messages. That's it. An AI agent runs inside a workflow, follows instructions. It can use tools. It can take actions. Inside of Lindy, a workflow usually looks like this. You have a trigger, an AI step, and one or more actions. That's the core structure. The trigger tells it when to run. The AI step tells it what to think about and what tools it can use. The action tells it what to do with the result. That's it. It's simple once you see it laid out like that. And today we're going to build a research agent using that exact structure. So first things first, if you don't already have an account with Lindy AI, you can go ahead and click the link down below in the description. That's going to bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and try for free using our link for a 7-day free trial. Step 1, define what you want the agent to do. So before clicking anything inside of Lindy, define your goal clearly. So for this tutorial, we'll build an agent that searches for recent articles, summarizes them, and sends the summary to your email. Simple, practical, and useful. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I'm going to go ahead and use that link down in the description and click on try for free. And I'm going to go ahead and get started here with email. Go ahead and type in my name and email and a password. And then I'm going to click sign up. Now it looks like it's going to go ahead and verify your email. So go ahead and check your email for the verification code and post it back in here. Okay, so then we'll go ahead and click on start free trial. Okay, so now that we're logged in, we can go ahead and see the dashboard here. Step 2, create a new workflow in Lindy. Okay, so to go ahead and create a new workflow, we'll come over here and click on this little drop down and click on new workflow. To get things started here, I'm gonna go ahead and just type in a prompt here. So create a workflow that searches for 3 recent articles about renewable energy, summarizes them in bullet points, and emails the summary to me. So let's go ahead and just start with that. So we'll go ahead and let that run in the background and continue on. All right, step 3, add a trigger. All right, so here in the new workflow area, we'll go ahead and add a trigger. So we'll go ahead and select this trigger here. Okay, to create our manual trigger, we'll go ahead and just have it set to be message received. So we'll chat with this agent to go ahead and get it started as this manual mode. Step 4, add the AI agent step. Next, we'll go ahead and click the add step. So this is where we'll go ahead and enter the agent step. So we'll go ahead and click this button right here. And here is the prompt that we can go ahead and give it. Step 5, write clear instructions. So we'll go ahead and copy the prompt that we said earlier, search the web for 3 articles published within the past 7 days about renewable energy. We'll go ahead and paste that in there. Step 6, run it and test. We'll go ahead and click test. Okay, so here we go. It went ahead and found 3 reputable articles published within the past 7 days. So we've got these bullet points for article 1, these bullet points for article 2, and these bullet points for article 3. It's awesome. It looks like it followed our prompt exactly. Optional, use a knowledge base instead of web search. Now let's say you don't want it searching the open web. Maybe you want it to summarize internal company documents, research, PDFs, specific blogs, private reports. That's where Lindy's knowledge base comes in. So instead of enabling web search, you can go to the knowledge base section, upload PDFs, add website URLs, connect Google Drive, and once your documents are added, go back to your AI step and enable the knowledge base tool. Then adjust your instructions to something like use the energy reports knowledge base, summarize the latest documents added in the past 7 days, highlight major insights and risks. Now it's not browsing the internet, it's searching your curated data. This is powerful for teams and it's more controlled. Step 7, add an action. Deliver the summary. All right, to go ahead and create the action to deliver the summary, we'll go ahead and click right here and click on add step. And we'll go ahead and click on perform an action. If you're using Gmail, you'd want to go ahead and connect your Gmail, or you could connect this to Slack. So we need to determine where you want to connect this to. We'll go ahead and click on Gmail and send email. So this is where you go ahead and set up the email part. So this is where you can connect your Gmail account. And this is where you select who it's going to be receiving the email. So you can either let the AI fill that out with auto, prompt AI. So this is where AI will fill out the field using the prompt and context of the previous step, or you can enter the value for this field manually. Same thing with CC, BCC, subject, and body. So for this, we'll use prompt AI. Step 8, switch to automatic mode. Now, once you go ahead and go through that and you want this to happen every day, this is where we come up here and we can change this trigger. So instead of the trigger being message received, we can go ahead and replace this and make it so every day it goes ahead and does that. So we can click on timer on a recurring schedule, and then we could say every day at 6 a.m. There we go. Important. Keep it beginner friendly. So let me clarify something here. You might see advanced tutorials talking about webhooks, external APIs, environment variables, complex error handling. You do not need that to build a solid research agent. So just start simple. Get one workflow working, then improve it gradually. Complexity is optional. Clarity is not. Handling errors and edge cases. So what happens if no articles are found? You can handle that inside your AI instructions. Just add something like, if no relevant articles are found, respond with no new relevant articles were found today. Now your email won't just be blank. You can also add a second action to log outputs in Google Sheets. Save summaries to Notion. Post to Slack instead of email. But again, build one action first. Make sure it works. Then expand. Monitoring performance. Once your workflow is live, don't forget about it. Check the logs in Lindy. You'll see when it ran, what input it used, what output it generated, whether any errors occurred. So read the outputs for the first few days. Are they helpful? Too long? Too short? Too repetitive? Then improve the prompt. Automation is iterative. Improving summary quality. If your summaries feel weak, try limiting article count, adding output structure requirements, asking for top 3 insights and 2 risks, asking for implications for businesses. You can also experiment with bullet points versus short paragraphs, executive summary format, casual versus formal tone. Small prompt changes can make big differences. Expanding the agent later. Once you're comfortable, you can expand this. Here's some ideas, like send summary to Slack and email. Store all summaries in Google Sheets. Create a Notion database entry daily. Trigger it when a new RSS feed item appears. Build separate agents for different industries. But again, build one clean workflow first. Then stack on improvements. Today we built a real AI research and summary agent inside Lindy. Created a workflow, added a manual trigger, enabled web search, wrote clear instructions, tested and refined, connected Gmail, switched to a scheduled trigger, and now it runs automatically. That's a practical automation. So if you want to get started with Lindy AI, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. Supporting the channel this way really helps us keep creating practical, beginner-friendly content to help you learn and leverage AI. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the AI Academy, we make videos that break down artificial intelligence tools, workflows, and strategies to help you stay ahead of the curve, whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just curious about what AI can do for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.